Welcome to fifth lesson of this course Guide to Joomla 5. In this lesson, you will learn about the menus, managing menus, creating menus and setting up menus. So let's start. Menus allow a user to navigate through the site. A menu is an object which contains one or more menu items. Each menu item points to a logical page on the site. A menu module is required to place the menu on the page. One menu can have more than one module. For example, one module might show only the first level menu items and the second module might show the level 2 menu items. The menu list provides an overview of menus available on the Joomla site. This includes the details of each individual menu's number of items published, unpublished, and trashed, and the names of linked modules. The process for adding a menu to the site is normally as follows. Create a new menu. Create one or new menu items for the menu. Each menu item will have a specific menu type. Create one or more menu module to display the menu on the site. When you create the module, you will select which menu item pages the modules will show on. So first we have to go to the menu and manage. Here we will create menu type. I will give some title and a unique name should be in smaller letters and optionally we have to define the description of that menu, then save and close. Now this home with the home menu has been created, which has a zero number of menu items. After the menu is created, it will be listed under the site section. We just created a home menu, and as our website is multilingual, and for the multilingual, it is a requirement to have one main menu which is set as a default home menu and its language is selected to all. Then for each of the language we have their own default home page. So for the German we have this menu set as default, and for the English we have home set as default for the English language. Let us create a new menu item here. Give some title, select menu item type, articles, and we have several different type of layouts to select from. I will choose single article which display a single article. We can create or select existing article. We don't have about us page here. I will create a one about us. Put in the article text, save and close, and the article has been selected. We can choose the target window, template styles, stated should be published, default page no, and language to English language only, as we are creating this menu for the English. We have a SEO related settings, page title, page heading. Let me fill in this information. And we can set the page class, page CSS class. We have the data meta information used for the SEO. Save and close, and a new menu about us has been created. A link in top right side of admin which will take us to the front end of Joomla website. The menu we just created is listed in this module about us, and if you want to hide this information, we can hide from the menu. This is basically author, category, and time and date and number of hits. We have under the option we can hide the author and publish date, navigation, number of hits. Okay, here we are done. So that is basically how to we work with the menu item in Joomla 5.